YouTube? What's up, my people? It's been a long time. I've been slacking. A lot has changed. A lot has taken my attention away from YouTube, but I'm about to get back to it. Man, last time I'm on most of my subscribers are from my S197 and my V3, but a lot has changed. So, bought a house, changed cars. Got into my career where I was in my career, but just growing as a man and growing as a family man and providing for my family is always a great thing. So, but I'm gonna start trying to make these YouTube content again, man. Just start making some extra little revenue, because these grocery prices ain't getting no cheaper, and this mortgage is yeah. But man, this is gonna be the first really updated video I posted. I posted a couple videos, but this is the first introduction of me coming back into doing YouTube videos. So I'm gonna show you around the new car and show you what she's about. So this is my 2020 Mustang GT 10-speed premium. Already did a couple, upgrades, such as a Lund E85 tune, Steeda closed air inbox, catch can, upgraded the coolant reservoir. But other than that, she's pretty much bone stock. Haven't did long tube headers. That's gonna come in the near future, because I'm trying to see on which boosted route I'm gonna go, but that's not gonna be anytime soon, hopefully. I mean, unless y'all upgrade my subscribers. But man, so change the wheels. Man, I've been getting fantastic deals on Facebook Market. I got the wheels set for $100, man. Wrapped them on some little baby tires right now, but I'm gonna get a drag pack in the back. But man, I got my 360 GoPro mount on because I just got that, and I've been experimenting and getting videos so I can get y'all some more content, some more, legalized spirited driving around. Excuse the car. I don't know if y'all guys can see it, but it's raining. So the car is dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet because ain't no point. It's going to keep raining, but man, this is the beauty 2020. And I got a lot of things coming. So man, please subscribe. Let's grow. I got 100 right now. I'm trying to hit 1,000. So let's start the journey again.
trying to get me, I was living filthy, I was worried about the cloud, yeah. Stuck in the cage, I thought I was free, but the Lord came and took me out, yeah.